Today we're reviewing a Philadelphia, Pennsylvania-based heating and air company we've turned inside and out, providing local residents with a helpful review of Fahrenheit. The Fahrenheit team is amongst the most respected in the HVAC industry, and their company grades out with excellent marks with outstanding customer support, with reputable reviews and testimonials to support them. So, do you live in the Philadelphia or surrounding metro area? Are you in need of heating and air services? Then call Fahrenheit today. Learn more about Fahrenheit Heating and Air by calling or visiting them online. Again, thanks for watching.